Hi, Greg Davis in Savannah at MarineMax. I'm going to give you a quick tour of the new Boston Whaler 130 Super Sport we just got in. This one comes with a 40 horse Mercury. It has a rear boarding ladder. This one has a teak package which they came back out with. I think it looks real great. The bench seating, storage up front. This is their glacier green hull, very nice. Comes with a nice galvanized trailer. Several seating options you can add. This one has the bimini top. Now offer lockable dry storage in the front here, which is great to hold all of your registration papers, anything else. Lots of room in this boat. If you have any questions or like more information on this model or any model that we have for sale at MarineMax, you can give us a call at area code 912-897-9881. Thank you.